Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. And in this video, this is gonna be the first ever video of the complete HTML tutorial for beginners 2021 series. So this is gonna be the first video. So in this video, we're gonna see where to code HTML and what is HTML and where to see that how it works. Okay, so which are all gonna be the requirements for this tutorial. So let's see that. So first we want to have a editor, okay, basically a text editor. So in this case we can use any text editor that we want, like even a simple notepad like this. So we can just write code here like HTML. So we can write any, like we can use any editor that we want. It's just a text editor. If you are using Mac, it can be a text editor, or if you are using Windows, you can use Notepad or Notepad plus plus or Sublime Text. So whatever the text editor may be, you can use it. So link for that from like a sample editors, let me give that in my description, you can check it out. So I will be using this Sublime Text. So this is also a editor, text editor. We can code anything that we want, like Python, Java, like that. So it's a simple text editor. It looks nice. So you are seeing on that, and you can use this too. The link for this will be in my description, you can check it out. And link for the Notepad plus plus here, you can see. So this will be also in my description, you can check it out. Or you can use just a simple notepad or a simple text editor in Mac. So okay, so okay, let's get started. So first we have to, like we want to have a file called something.html. okay, so just be in your desktop and just open a new file, new text document. So you can just erase this all. So you can just give like the first let me give like a first video on HTML, like that. Okay, okay, like first video. Okay, I just give like this. So we have to give the extension as like .html. okay, the extension should be like .html, so that only it will be like a HTML file. Okay, so we can just give like this. After that, hit enter. So we can just change it. So this is what we gonna use for our first video. So we can just keep it here. So we just want to open this file with two things. Like first we want to open this file through Sublime Text or any text editor that you are using. So let me do that. Let me minimize this. So we can just go like open file, and we can just select the desktop right here, and we can just open the first video HTML dot file, like a .html file. Okay, we can just open it, and we can just we are just opened. Okay, so and the second thing that we have to use, like we have to open this with any browser that you are using. Okay, like a Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Opera. So whatever you are using, any browser, you have to open this with. Okay, so this is where we gonna see the output of that HTML code. Okay, so this is where the output will look. So we can just minimize this. So we can just code our first code, like it starts with HTML. Okay, so let me start with something basic like this. So if you just give like this, it will autofill. So it's a function of that Sublime Text. And inside that, let's give a simple code like okay, let's print hello world like this. And yeah, we want to, every tag will have a close tag. So it's just a basic video, so you don't have to worry about this in this first video. So in upcoming videos we will see what are all elements or what are all attributes in HTML. So we can see all the things in HTML. Okay, it's complete basics of HTML. When you're completing this series, uh, you will be have a foundation in HTML, basic HTML. Okay, you will be having a basic idea about how to create a like a front end developer, how create like a web designs that you see in the internet. So, like that. So let's run it. Before that, we have to save this. So in Sublime Text, if the file is unsaved, it will looks like this. Okay, like it's now xmod, so it's saved. So we can save using a control s, and we can just run it here. So when we are opening it, so we have to refresh it, like reloading this page, so it will looks like hello world. Okay, that is what we coded. So the cool thing in HTML, we can see the output right here. So you can see it. So we can zoom it. Yeah, we are having this. So whatever we type in here, so hello world, we can just type the bold text. For bold text, we have this B tag. So we can, it's a bold text. We can just give like this. It's a bold text. Yeah, if we give this, it will autofill. Okay, let me just drag this. Yeah, so we can just now save it. If it's unsaved, it will look like this. Okay, yeah, this this thing right here. So if we change it, like if we save it, it will turn into xmark, and we can just reload this. Yeah, it's a bold text. It's something looks bold than this. You can see here the difference. So this is how the HTML works. Everything that we gonna code in here, we can see it in our browser. So it just opened the C drives user directory and just having the desktop file here. So we are just like it's like a local server. Okay, so we can just see the output right here. Okay, this is how the HTML. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So let me write it here, like hypertext markup language. So it is basically not a programming language, but it's a markup language. So it's used for like the basic structure that you see in the internet. Every like you can open any page in the internet, the basic structure you see, it will be written on HTML. And the CSS is the cascading style sheets, which will be used to color your structure. Like HTML is like a skeleton of our body, and CSS is like a skin of our body. Okay, it looks stale. Okay, it adds style to the HTML structure that we are creating. So it is what HTML. And Bootstrap or advanced CSS can also be called as advanced CSS. So we can see all that in upcoming videos. So in this video, you're gonna have this one browser, so that it could be any browser that you want, and one text editor. It could be simple text editor or advanced text editor, whatever you want, like that. And we have to save the file with the extension of htm or html. So it should be have an extension of .html or .html, both are same. So you can use that and save the file that where you want. So you can just give it a name, whatever you want. Okay, so just write this code right here. You can just check it out, that how it works. And in upcoming videos, we can use like a more additional, like more advanced codes in HTML. Okay, we can write that. So this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching. And if you have any suggestion, let me know in comments. So thanks for watching. Bye.